Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to explain three methods with which you can easily change the case of strings. The first method is title. The second method is lower. The third method is upper. I'll be explaining each of these methods in great detail so that you can have a good understanding about those three methods. But before that, let me create a variable, that is variable 1. For a variable, I'm just passing a string, that is hello world. Now I'm just using a print function to print my output, that is hello world. So inside a print function, I have to pass a variable name, that is variable 1. And after variable 1, I just have to use my method, that is title, title. And you have to mention some braces here, that is parenthesis. Now you just have to save the file and hit run. See here, it has got executed and the output is capital H, capital W. But here, when I try to pass the input, I have given the entire string in all small letters. But here in my output, it has printed me with a capital H and capital W, because that's the meaning of a title, right? So when it says title, title is nothing but the first word of each and every word should be in capital letters. So that's what the title method is. And I'm going to explain about lower. Now let me just create another variable, this time variable 2 equal to, now here I'm going to pass some kind of string, that is all caps, like hello world. Now what happens if I use this lower method onto this variable 2? Let me just check out. So I'm just using print function. Inside that I'm just passing variable 2 here. Now with a dot extension, I want to use my method, that is lower. Just save your file and hit run. See here, this time I have passed a string which is completely in capital letters. But now when I use this particular lower method, my output has got in terms of small letters, that is completely lowercase. So that's the use case of lower. Now if you want to use another method, that is upper, I'll just show you what happens. So let me just create another variable, that is variable 3 equal to, this time I want to pass a simple string, that is hello world. Now what happens if I just try to use this particular method, that is upper, for my variable? Let me just do it. Variable 3 here. Now I want to use upper with a dot extension. So this is my upper method. Now I want to use it with parenthesis, open parenthesis. Now if you just save the file and hit run, see here, I have got my output with all capital letters. But when you look at my input, here I have passed my entire string only with all small letters. So this is the use case of upper. It usually makes the entire string with completely capital letters. That's it about these methods.